Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review of this. Let's get it to focus here. Come on. So it's made by SOUNDLOGiC. It's the XT UNIVERSAL SELFiE LED Flash Adapter. Add a flash to your mobile device. Front or back camera. Battery inside. No wet eye is what they're claiming. Independent 4 LED camera flash with low. Bright and ultra bright light setting. Charge lasts up to 1,000 photos with flash, without flash. Here's the good news. Works with iPad, iPhone, or Android. It also says phones, computers, and more. So here's pretty much what you get. Your little SELFiE flash adapter and the charging cable. Just two little parts there. I'm not seeing anything here that tells us about a website. So again, SOUNDLOGiC XT. This is what's going to come in the package. This is the blue one. So far, all I know is that they have three different ones. There's the black one and then the red one. So yeah. I picked it up at the dollar store, so $1 at the dollar store. So, yep. These instructions. Why did I toss them? Because they don't tell you anything. But dude, there's more on there. Yeah, but they don't tell you anything about this. Like, hey, what model camera works on, what model it doesn't work on, what brands, does it work on iPhone 7, 7S, iPhone 11, 11 Plus, what Androids does it work on a Samsung, it doesn't really say. But yeah, I guess anything with a standard 3.5mm pad type of jack, it should work with. Do notice here's where the little, let's see if we can get this to zoom in better. There you go. So there's where our little LEDs are. There is another jack at the top. Don't know why. There would be one. I can't figure it out. It doesn't say why. The only thing that I'm guessing is if you put a stereo mic in here, that's also a 3mm, 3.5mm, jack on the end of it. That's the only thing that I can feel, but you're taking in like SELFiE camera, you're not recording anything, so yeah, I have no idea. Here's the on, off, and light adjustment button right there. Here's what our charger cable looks like, USB here, and then you pop this in. I will tell you two little tips and tricks here. When you put this, when you plug this in, make sure you put it in all the way, give it a good push, slap it, and when you hear that little snap, that's how you know it's good. And it's in there. Hopefully you just heard that sound. That's what you always want to hear. You always want to hear that little sound. If you don't hear that sound, and let me take this out again and put it in here. It looks like, oh, it goes in. You can't push it down anymore. It's not going to charge. When you hear that sound, then you know it's fully in and then it's going to charge. How long does it take this thing to charge? About 45 minutes. Yeah. But nowhere on the box or even on the stupid instructions do they say, hey, to charge it up for a full complete battery charge, 45 minutes. It doesn't say that. Yeah. So let's just pop that off. Let's pop it onto my phone here. Automatically, it turned on. I think this is the brightest setting that it's on right now. I'm going to turn it off to the side a little bit. push on that little button down here. That's off, so we have bright, a little bit brighter, brightest, off. Down it. And you know, you could don't really need to put it into a jet. You could just push the button here. So there's bright, brighter, brightest. I mean, it's probably gonna be a lot brighter than the flashlight that's built right into your camera if you turn that little option on. Yeah, but how good for selfies? I don't know. And for me, on my camera, it seems like it's a bit loose. Like, it knows when you put it into the jet to automatically turn it on to bright. But, yeah, it's just flopping around and I mean, it's not going to come out, but a little tap like that, and it comes out. And I really don't want to remove my case because it's hard to do, and it's a pain, but yeah, I guess it works. I mean, we've seen it light up. I just wish that there was more info, like a website, or what SOUNDLOGiC XT mates, like their other products. Maybe more info on the bots, or even on this stupid, useless piece of paper that says, hey, make sure you put it in fully, and you hear that little snap. And, you know, it takes about 45 minutes for it to charge completely. Can you put anything else on the top? Yeah, you could probably put headphones in there or something. Don't know why you want to have this hanging, you know, off of your phone. And then you put headphones in there. Kind of looks dumb and stupid, but yeah. No, it does not have an auto off thing. Just push that little button on the top there. You kind of hear this little shake and rattle sound to it. I can't really determine where it is because it could be the little LEDs in there, or it could be the little button on top, or it could be a combination of both. But you know what? For $1 at the dollar store, considering that, you know, if you bought this in a Walmart, Target, Myers, Amazon, eBay, it's going to cost more than $1, including the shipping and handling processing fee. Plus, you know, about the 2 weeks that it takes that you have to wait for it to be delivered in the mail. So yeah, I guess, you know, $1, it's okay. But yeah, that has been a little unboxing review of the SOUNDLOGiC XT Universal SELFiE LED Flash Adapter in blue. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.